Greetings, everybody. I want to take a moment to talk to you about the general outline that you're about to do. Remember, the outline is due October 25th, which is next Monday by 11:59 p.m. So look at this. You're getting ready to do a complete sentence outline. Everything on the outline should be a complete sentence. You're only writing one sentence per alphabet, per Roman numeral, until you get down to Roman numerals number 6 and 7. Okay. Uh, this is going to be a rather long video, but it's filled with information. So um, please pay attention carefully and watch this video as many times as you need to over the course of the week in order to understand what you're doing. So let's do this. Okay. I want to deal with Roman numerals, just the Roman numerals right now. Okay. So Roman numeral number 1 is going to be your thesis statement for your outline. I want you to use a journal thesis statement. I want you to keep the paper argumentative, right? Choose a side. You've chosen your topic. You've submitted your topic. So for the purpose of this outline and for this video, I've done the topic on the state lottery. So it is going to be argumentative, and I want to just state my position in Roman numeral number 1. So Roman numeral number 1 simply says the state of Alabama should adopt a state lottery. That is my position. That is my thesis statement. That is what the entire paper is going to focus on. Okay? So Roman numeral number 1 is the thesis statement. The thesis should be argumentative. Choose a side. Choose a side of the issue. Choose something controversial to write on. And again, just to repeat, my Roman numeral number 1 says the state of Alabama should adopt a state lottery. Does Alabama have a lottery? No, it doesn't. Should it have a state lottery? Yes, it should. Okay. Roman numeral number 1 in one complete sentence. Give me your thesis statement. What is going to be your position on the issue? Look at Roman numeral number 2, Roman numeral number 3, and Roman numeral number 4. These are going to be the supporting sentences that you use to support your thesis statement. In other words, my thesis statement says the state of Alabama should adopt a state lottery. I'm going to ask myself why. Why should Alabama adopt a state lottery? Using critical thinking, using logical reasons, I'm going to come up with my 3 supporting topic sentences. Okay? So, topic sentence number 1. Why should the state of Alabama adopt a state lottery? Well, a state lottery will help to fund education in the state of Alabama. That supports my thesis statement. The state of Alabama should adopt a state lottery. Why? Why should the state of Alabama adopt a state lottery? Because a state lottery will help to fund education in the state of Alabama. Again, one sentence, right? And that one sentence supports my thesis statement. Roman numeral number 3. What's the second reason? Okay. The state of Alabama could create a thriving economy if it adopted a state lottery. Again, topic sentence supports my thesis statement, which is in Roman numeral number 1. The state of Alabama should adopt a state lottery. Why should the state of Alabama adopt a state lottery? The state of Alabama could create a thriving economy if it adopted a state lottery. Now, pay attention to this repetition. On an outline, it is preferable that you keep repeating, right? Keep repeating your topic sentence or your thesis statement in your topic sentences so that we don't lose control of what the paper is about, okay? The state of Alabama should adopt a state lottery. Why? A state lottery will help to fund education in the state of Alabama. That's Roman numeral number 2. My second reason, the state of Alabama could create a thriving economy if it adopted a state lottery. And Roman numeral number 4, transition. Finally, the people of Alabama should vote for a state lottery to fund improvements necessary to the state. Okay. Roman numerals number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Let's talk about Roman numeral number 5, and then in a separate video, I'll go over the ABCD for you. So Roman numeral number 5. Okay. Every argument that you have, you're going to have to give me the opposing view. So Roman numeral number 5 is just a simple sentence that lets me know you are about to discuss the opposing view. Roman numeral number 5 simply says there are those citizens in Alabama who believe that a state lottery should not be adopted. Okay? And that's the opposing view. Let me know that you're going to discuss the opposing view, right? Who disagrees with you? You need to put that into the paper. Roman numeral number 5 is where you're going to do your discussion of the opposing view in the paper. Who disagrees with you? Give me 2 strong reasons. Give me 2 reasons that people disagree with the state of Alabama adopting the state lottery. Look at Roman numeral number 6. Okay. First, many conservatives in the state of Alabama believe that introducing a lottery will create a criminal subculture. That's one point. Transition. I use a transition first, right? What's my second reason for the opponents feeling the way they do? Finally, conservatives rely on the moral argument that a lottery would lead to gambling in the state of Alabama. Roman numeral number 7. Okay. Again, Roman numeral number 5. One sentence. Here is where you're going to discuss the opposing views. Who disagrees with you? There are those citizens in the state of Alabama who believe that a state lottery should not be adopted. Give me 2 of your opposing reasons, 2 of your opponent's strongest reasons, right? First, many conservatives in the state of Alabama believe that introducing a lottery will create a criminal subculture. Okay. Roman numeral number 7. What is the second opposing reason? Finally, conservatives rely on the moral argument that the lottery would lead to gambling in the state of Alabama. That is Roman numerals 5, 6, and 7. Roman numeral number 8 on the outline is just a restatement of the thesis statement with your 3 supporting points that you used in the paper. So if the citizens of Alabama would vote to adopt a state lottery, there would be vast improvements in education, the economy, and the way of life. Those are just the same 3 views that I took Roman numeral number 1 thesis, Roman numeral 2, 3, and 4. I just combined them into one sentence for Roman numeral number 8. If the citizens of Alabama would vote to adopt a state lottery, there would be vast improvements in education, the economy, and the way of life. Okay? In a nutshell, that is Roman numerals 1 through 8. I have not discussed ABCD yet. I'm going to do that in a separate video. So when you start doing the outline, start with the basics. Get all the Roman numerals out of the way. Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And in another video, I'm going to go back and I'm going to talk about the ABCD used as support for this. Get started on the outline. Before you move on to the next video, get Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 out of the way. Once you get that out of the way, then we're going to go back and talk about adding the ABCD. Okay. As always, if you have any questions about this assignment, please email me and I would be happy to answer your questions. Good writing to you.